let's see the quick demo of Ollama new version, which have this new features of Ollama UI, right, which is available over here, directly installed. If you install Ollama, so you will get this new one. And there is a couple of features over here, like you can just document search, PDF search and all. So let me try to do this PDF search over here. Like for example, if I take this PDF, whatever PDF documents or any documents, so what about, okay, so if I just ask this, now see, it is just giving that complete details of about that invoice detail, amount and all. And same things actually we can test it also, like we can verify it is 13630. so if you go back, see, invoice number is accurate, right? And also whatever the details, it is also accurate, and even total amount like 3970, also we can check that amount. Like, so see, this is that accurate details over here. So there is a ability also over this, and if you provide that image and all, also they will provide that something. And this have actually that multi things over here. Like for example, if you have this UI, so you have the settings section. In this settings section, actually you want to expose your Llama to other network and all, so you can use it over here. And also if you want to change the model locations, you can change it over here. And also you context length, if you want to increase and or you can just increase and all. And yeah, I think that's all. Even you have two ability over here. This, if you want to another model or whatever model you want to download in your local, so you can just simply download it, right? So yeah, I think that is all for this demo. For moving to that implementations, so before implementation, I'm especially recommend, if you first time visit my channel, so go to my channel, which is .NET real world example. So in here you can just learn many things like front end, back end, game development, as a full stack developer. Also AI integration in your applications, and create an agent, MCP server, many things, like the complete things as a full stack developer, or as a future AI integration and all. So you can check out and you can learn. And now moving to that integration, open a browser and go to that ollama.com, and here you can see the newly Ollama version is available, right? So newly Llama version is now over here. Now click on that new app. So once you click on new app, now you are able to see this ollama.com blog.new app. It is redirecting over here. And if you see, this is that new look of the Ollama, which will be provide you to that user interface, and along with there are a couple of features, right? So let me download it first. So for get started, actually, so here you can just download your Mac OS or Windows. So I'll just use that download, and then here I'll just download for Windows, because I'm currently using the Windows. Download that. So once done, now see, it is done. So it is just a small size of this. So open it, install it, and following that instruction, whatever that is installation process of this Ollama for this Windows. So once you complete, now see, automatically open this Ollama UI. Previously it was not there, but yeah, currently it is available like this way. This is that new look of that Ollama, and here you can see that couple of models over here, right? And now you can just try with that. So for example, if I try, okay, what about new Ollama? So now see, if it is not install your Ollama, this version, like whatever version out over here, now they're trying to download that version first, and then that will be try. Okay. So once complete, it will take it will, you are not able to do anything, I guess. So yeah, this is the button to actually there where we have not click anywhere. So instead of this the large big model, let me take it a small model. So now stop that old one and now try to this one. So what about new Ollama? Yeah, now see, this is a very small model, right? So let me finish to install this. Okay, now see, once that download completed, and it is just providing me this couple of options over there, but what about the details? And now it is just providing me that complete details. Now it is available for here, right? So yeah, I think that is pretty much good. But yeah, now we'll test in a few couple of things over here, like this new version of Ollama, and one of this over here, this side feature. Okay, so whatever you are just trying to did whatever trying to chat and all, so the whatever the history, that will be keep it over here. Like for example, hi. Okay, so once you hi, so that new chat will be over there over here, right? So now see, this is providing hi. So let me chat a new chat, right? So one new chat. So okay, this is new Ollama, right? So you see over here, it is just keep on tracking actually whatever the news chat up section, right? And also see how much is how flexible provide us to that fast response, right? So now moving to the features, right? So I already explained this first feature, like you can just whatever model you want, just choose it, and just see, once you're done whatever model actually install, so it is removing from here, like it's completed. Same things, if you want to another model, you can just choose it and install it, and then based on this actually you can try. And there's a one more features over here, this settings, right? So click the settings, and over here, so first actually, if you want, you can just logged in with the Llama account. And another things over here, see, this expose Ollama to the network. So that means, so if you allow to this access, so if other device or services, if you want, so you can use it, right? So like this way actually you can use it. And now another feature is the model location. So here actually they keep it your models, like whatever models. So like if I just open this, now see, in this store actually they will keep it whatever model you're trying to install, so it will keep it. So if you want to change, you can just want to, like for example, you don't have a sufficient you know uh, storage on the C drive, so you can move it to the drive and all. And this last one is a contact lens, right? So this is a couple of things over here. Now we have to test another things, like for example, now simply we test with along with the model. Now we can we can test with this the normal PDF file and all. So if I share any PDF file to this model, so they will extract that information to me as well. So let me download some model, some uh, one about that PDF. So let me get some existing PDF if I have. Okay, so now I'm just find this one of that invoice folder in this GitHub link. So you can take it this one, or you, if do you have any PDF and also you can take it. But yeah, I'll just open it, and if I just extract, so I have couple of invoice over there, right? So I'll just test it with this what kind of invoice, and I will predict this PDF, right? And what about this and all, right? So let me go back to over here, and here let me drag and drop one of that PDF, for example this. Okay, and what about this invoice? Okay, so let me ask this invoice. Now see, it is just provide this that couple of details, like it is invoice number 2020. So let me check it, like is that correct one, or just providing okay, so invoice number, yeah, see, correct invoice number is 2020, right? And where is that other thing? Okay, sender is Rick, and also recipient this guy, date of purchase, I think this one, shipment mode, and amount. Okay, let me check that amount actually, 7490, right? 7490, correct. Now see, this is completely accurate. Okay, and also let me check that if I have any order number and all. And also is a key taking this guy, yeah, they are not providing me order number, but yeah, I can just ask to order number also. So yeah, let me ask to get that order number. Okay, so give me the order number of this invoice. Okay, cool. Now see, order number of this US this guy, and if you moving back, use this, and 4127, yes, accurate actually. Okay, so now this way actually, this is that another feature, you can just analyze your documents and all, and you can just make it your document as a source, and you can just work with that. Okay, so there is another feature, Now also we have that feature, like if I want to share any image and all, right, as like the document, so also they can provide that information. So that is also as a multimodal supported. And also it can be documentation writing features is available, like if I shared any document and then if I ask, okay, do something like that way, so also they will available, they will do that. So simply you can drag and drop and then whatever you want, so you can just click it. Okay, so I think that's all for this session, right? And thank you, have a nice day, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.